Hello everyone! I'm just gonna do a very quick unboxing. So I received a few packages today. I got something from, well, both of them are from Japan. One from Closetchild and one from Bodyline. I'll go and open up the really quick one, which is from Closetchild, this one. I've only really been buying some accessories now because I want to not buy too many main pieces anymore. I've already bought quite a lot. So now I'm just trying to complete my coordinates. Just recently I actually got the cameo window OP, as you've seen in one of my unboxing videos, and I got something from closetchild to try and match it with. And this is the invoice, and these are the pieces that I got to match it with. It's not actually matching, like the exact matching pieces, because this one, this angelic pretty bonnet, is actually from the Musée du Chocolat series, but it has the white colorway to match with the, see there, angelic pretty tag. Still has the price tag on here as well. And this one, it sort of closely matches cameo windows with that. And I bought the socks from the Little Royal Icing series from Baby Star Shine. Has a bit of mint in there in the colorway. And primarily I got it because it's got like an ivory and brown color pieces on there. Anyway, the Bodyline one is right here. It seems like it's actually a massive package, but I got the shoes and the wig. I bought other wigs from them before as well. This is a lot longer than I expected. Oh, interesting. Anyway, so this is the wig that I got. It's quite a bit longer than I thought it would be. And yeah, it's in a pink brown colorway, which is very natural on me, so I got that one. And I guess I've been very set on like buying a lot of classic pieces. I wanted to go and buy something that actually matched with all of my classic dresses. So I got these shoes from Bodyline. And they look really good. I kind of prefer this one as the these ones are a little bit too not really my style. They've packed it up quite well, so that's really good. So yeah, that's what the shoes look like. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye!